Hey guys, and welcome back to another quick form video. In today's video, I have some good news and information for you guys. As you know, Boost Mobile is doing a Black Friday blowout, so this is still extended, so you can still get the promotion. And in today's topic, we're talking about iPhones because everybody wants iPhones for, Christmas and whatnot. So let's get into it, guys. So if we go here to phones and we go to Boost Mobile and then iPhones, you will see that here they are, guys. And finally, yes, they are back in stock after, weeks and maybe months of them being out of stock. Not mainly the iPhone 11, but the Pros, as you will see in just a little bit. That is a discussion about this video, and that they are on a discounted price. So as you can see, the iPhone 11 currently $600 on Boost Mobile. The retail price, it does go for $700. That's what everybody, other carriers will sell them everywhere else, unless you get it through like a subsidized price or a retail installment contract. So as you can see, they do have 64, 128 still sold out, and the 256, but 64 I think is what everybody will go with. The black is sold out, but the green, which a lot of people like, we call it like a minty green, is available. The purple, another popular color. The red is out of stock, the white's out of stock, and the white. So currently you can just get the green or the purple, so either boy or girl. I would probably go with the green. Actually, it looks very nice. That's a phone I would rock, honestly. So yeah, guys, at $600, you cannot beat it. Like I said, Boost Mobile always does these good offers for you guys. That's what I like about them. Now let's go look at the other phones, which are the ones that have been really sold out for months. So as you can see, yes, you can get an iPhone 8. Still a good deal. You save $100 on it. Like I said, this is a pretty big blowout sale. So $100, who doesn't want to save $100? If you're a new Boost Mobile customer, you can basically pay your monthly bill with this. Because the $100 you're saying you can put towards your month. And like I said, this is good for new customers. Existing customers are porting. So this is what I like about online deals, is they are fair to everybody. Most carriers like, yeah, you can get this phone for free, but you have to switch to us or blah 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 blah. You know what I mean. iPhone 8 Plus, another popular phone for $450. Here are the ones that I want to talk to you guys about, and of course down there a little bit. But the iPhone 11 Pro and the iPhone 11 Pro Max, guys, retails for $1,000. You can get it currently for $900 on Boost Mobile. Same thing, you can save $100 on them. It is back in stock. The silver sold out. Midnight green, of course, it's going to be sold out. And the gold. So the only one available is the space gray, which I've seen a lot of people actually prefer this one. They just like how it looks and everything. So I do too. I think it's good. Personally, I would probably go with the midnight green just because it's the newest color. But hey, the 256 is sold out, and so is the 512. So 64, like I said, is what most people will get either way. And then let's do the last one. It's a very quick video. iPhone 11 Pro Max, same thing, guys. You're saving $100. You're getting this phone for the same price as the iPhone 11 Pro. That's pretty crazy, like I said. 64 space gray is available. Silver sold out. Midnight green, of course, sold out, and the gold. But like I said, most people I think will be fine with the black. 256 sold out, and 512 just because at $100 discount, everybody wants to get this deal, and it's a good deal. So very good deals. Like I said, you're saving $100. I would say act quick, because I'm pretty sure as we get closer to the holidays, it will be sold out again. As you can see, they only have the space gray ones, so might as well go ahead and get it. So thank you for watching, guys. Please comment, rate, subscribe. This is just a quick video. If you want to hit that little bell if you want to. But if you really want to support the channel, check out Honey. So Honey is a free web browser extension that will find you the best promo codes on popular shopping websites like Amazon, Boost Mobile, Best Buy, and many more. Get it today at joinhoney.com/ref/Dragonic to save even more. When you make your first purchase, guys, I will get a small commission. So it's free to you. It will be in the description below. Use my link, and it will help the channel. So thank you, guys. Quick videos. Thank you.